Oh yes, our little walk start out this morning. Say good morning, good morning.
Morning.
We survived our 9,000 foot elevation camp out last night after a 28-mile day. Not sure how far we're gonna push today, but we got about 50 miles to the Davilla Ranch. So I know we wanna try to get ourselves set up to be there tomorrow for sure, which puts us for a 15-mile the following day into Pie Town at the Toaster House. Got some blisters on the feet. Things aren't always as good as they could be. We're just getting this done. And remember, in a world where you could be anything, be kind to each other. One love. I'm about a half a mile from being able to get to the water source, which is good because I started out this morning with no water. And it was a 7-mile hike that I've been hiking dry. My mouth is so dry I could spit sparks right now. So I'm really looking forward to trying to get a couple liters of water in me, and then probably carry 1.5. Come up off of a couple ridges this morning already. Back down into Ponderosa Pine Forest. Day's going lovely. Feeling a lot better. I rested for about 12 hours last night after that 28-mile day. Got a later start than I normally do. We didn't hit trail till almost 6:45. But my body said no, so I listened. It's not really a race. It's long term, it's endurance. It's day in, day out. So you gotta listen to your body. When it tells you to stop, stop. If it tells you to rest, rest. I'm not used to being at any elevation at all. And pushing up over, 9,000 foot tops. And these intense climbs are pretty hard on me. But I'm continuing to move forward. It's been a pretty hard day. I keep running out of water. I've been out of water for a couple miles now. Up at the top of the mountain. It's supposed to be about a mile to my next water source. I'm hoping that's accurate because it's getting a little rough. Wind's definitely kicking up. I'm sure y'all can hear that on the video. So I'm gonna let y'all go and see if I can't get to some water before I completely lose my voice. Got to the water supply, met back up with Albert, and we decided that the Davilla Ranch is 27.8 miles away. There's kind of sketchy water between here and there. So I guess we're basically doing kind of a 24-hour challenge, 2 weeks in for me. Will put me at a 50-mile day if we can make it. So shit, let's see if the fat guy can do it. Okay, here it is. 11:30. We're climbing the road going up Magnus, still going strong. Feeling good. Whew. All right, we didn't make it. It's 2:30 in the morning. It's getting too dangerous. We're not gonna be stupid. We're not getting injured out here. We did what we could. It was a heck of a fun time. We're gonna bivouac right here on this gravel, get up in a few hours and finish it out daylight. But we tried, we failed, but we're still alive. One love, y'all. Get outside of your comfort zone, do something. Yeah, it got way too dangerous. Whew. We were starting to stumble and trip over, as you can see, all these rocks. I think we got in about 40 miles out of the 50. 50 may have been a little ambitious. Safety is our number one priority while we're out here. Well, it was a great time. We pushed ourselves hard. I'm feeling it today, but I think we got about 10 miles, so we'll Nero into Davila, and hopefully there's a hot shower and some laundry. But we'll catch y'all a little bit down the trail. Yeah. Idea is to get down to the Davilla Ranch, drink up some water, eat some food, and then probably push the last 14 miles out to the toaster house, where resupply boxes are waiting, and 3-day 0 is in order. Some good blister and foot care.
Man, this is an amazing little oasis. There was eggs and potatoes, onions, some baked beans here, set up with some stoves, and I'll give you a little tour of everything later on. But oh, what a beautiful little oasis for CDT through hikers. A hot shower with soap, shampoo, and conditioner. It's all donation based, so if y'all are ever out here through hiking, make sure that you stop by, enjoy the amenities, leave a donation, and take care of the place, keep the place clean, so that way it's available for other hikers later on. All right, everybody. So not going to hike all the way into Pie Town today. We're just going to take a Nero here and just relax, rest, do our laundry, make Pie Town tomorrow, and we'll 0 out in Pie Town for a day or two, and then on to Grant.
All right, it's 4:30 in the morning. I'm leaving Davilla Ranch, heading to Pie Town. It's about a 14-mile walk, so I should be there well before lunch. I just like to get on and get my day over with. It's just a big road walk all day long, so probably not going to film too much. Well, good morning, y'all. Been at it for a couple hours. Sun's just coming up. Absolutely gorgeous day so far. Just little sunrise right over there. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. This is pretty hard walking every day, carrying everything on your back, but it's been so fulfilling so far, and I can't believe this is just the beginning of this adventure.
just want to thank everybody for supporting me, for watching, and for keeping me in your prayers.
So these people here put out a little trail magic. That's sweet of them. I already had water, so I wasn't gonna grab any because somebody behind me probably needs it more than I do. Well, I can't tell you how much I'm looking forward. In 5 miles, my new shoes are waiting. It is going to be such a blessing to be able to put brand new shoes that have cushioning in them. Be thankful for the little things, folks. All right, catch y'all here in a little bit.